Hi, this is Kim Byrd-Rider. We're going to clean up the pigeon. So the traditional pigeon has some real problems to it, and it usually looks like this. They'll say bring your hip bone towards your heel, and then you bring it in. It has this beautiful quad stretch to it that it's going to go away because the problem here is the knee is twisted. We have a torque on the knee. The SI joint, the sacral plate, the bottom of the spine is floating out in space, and it's in an unstable position, and we're again applying overpressure at end range to a joint that needs to be very, very stable to avoid pain. So this too is from Anaphorist Yoga. This is a modified pigeon. So you're going to sit on your right hip completely, leaning over to the side. Your knee is at 90 degrees, and the tighter your hips are, the more you're going to lean to the side, because we want no twist in the knee. And then you're just going to lay forward over the leg. You want to walk your elbows out. And all of my weight is on this right hip. That brings stability to the sacral plate, and the knee is untwisted. Now you can add to these, there's two additions. You can bring the elbow to the arch and rotate left, in this case, or you can plant the hand, thumb goes into the armpit, hook the elbow at the top of the knee, but you must lengthen the spine here. You have flexion in the spine, plus rotation is a recipe for disaster. So you want lengthen the spine to neutral, then begin your rotation, and you can drop the head to add a spinal extensor stretch to that. So hopefully that will alleviate any knee problems, any knee twisting, and any SI pain. Have a good day. Bye.